It may look like Joe's about to decorate a cake, but actually he's solving a problem that was created when new windows were installed in this home.
Well, in this case, if you take a close look, you'll see there's a long, regular gap that's formed between the window and the drywall return where this plaster is. So what we need to do is fill that. And the easiest way to do that is with a pastry bag that has a tip that has about an 1/8 inch diameter hole in it. And I just took a narrow putty knife and I filled up the bag with joint compound. And I twisted out all the air. Now I'm just going to put the tip right against that crack, squeeze the bag, and as you'll see, you'll just get a nice narrow bead of joint compound to fill that crack. Now, this is a nice narrow crack, so this works perfectly, but as I get down here and I fall into this hole, I can fill that too just by waiting a second, let the joint compound fill the hole, and just continue along.
Now you might think about using caulk for something like this, but the problem with caulk is it's not sandable. Here, using joint compound, you can sand it down in order to blend it in with the adjacent area.
And once you apply it like that, then you just want to smooth it out with your finger. And unlike caulk, once this dries, if you want to smooth it out further, you can just use a damp cloth, wipe it down, and then you just paint it to match the drywall.